Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable unknown tracker alerts on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, or basically any Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down and select the Safety and Emergency tile, and then scroll down and select unknown tracker alerts. So if you want to allow alerts, you can keep a toggle to the right or click inside the oval one time and turn it on. And then conversely, if you want to disable it, you just click inside the oval again until it was grayed out. So when the alerts are on, you'll get a notification if an unknown tracker is detected traveling with you. Alerts are deleted after 48 hours. And trackers are small Bluetooth devices that owners can attach to items like their keys or backpack to locate them. In some cases, they may be used to track people without their knowledge. Only compatible trackers can be detected. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.